Good morning, my lit fam. Let's let some sunshine in. Pop the top open, crack the windows, crank up the AC. I know that sounds backwards, but I want the coldness and the fresh air. But we're gonna go get these W's right now. We're on the way to get these fire red 5s, and I got something else coming in the mail, guys. Now that right there, guys, is called an Amish. They live down here. I had to show y'all that, man. That's the Amish. They live down here, and they drive wagons everywhere. They'll have no electricity. They got tons of acreage. They grow their own food and everything, have their own schools. They're the Mennonites. Medium ice latte, caramel, with caramel and blueberry, and 2 pumps of liquid sweetener.
I got you, darling. Any breakfast sandwiches to go with it?
You know what? I'm feeling froggy.
Well, just jump on out there and just take that.
I'm froggy. I'm froggy. All right, so let me see. I want to get me one of them, oh man, that new croissant chicken bacon cheese stuffer.
Oh my goodness, that is a good one right there, the chicken bacon stuffer.
Make you want to smack somebody.
Oh, I don't know about all that. It made me just want to chomp it all up.
Well, I'm gonna moonwalk on up to the window.
Ooh, I don't know. I might try to do the moonwalk. I don't know.
Do the robot? All right.
Break a leg.
Break a leg. I might throw my hip out too. I'll see you at the window. I think that's all I need.
Sweet, come on around for me.
All right, see you in a minute there, sweet cheeks. What y'all think about that?
Hey.
This is the best Dunkin' Donuts worker in the world.
Thank you so much.
She needs a $20 raise. Hey, air bump.
Awesome day. Hey.
All right. Thank you. Have a blessed day. So, guys, this is the bomb. Look at it. Caramel and blueberry with 2 pumps of liquid sweetener, iced latte. You give it a couple swirls. You know, you whip it in there, whipping it in the pot, you know. Well, you know what I'm saying. So we're gonna whip it in there, cook it on up, and throw the straw in it. Let's give it a taste test. Woo! It's so good, it make me want to smack somebody. You better stay out of range. Appreciate it. Take it easy, man. Hey, don't work too hard, man. And this, my friends, is freaking fire. Look at this bacon. I mean, this chicken, cheese, and bacon chicken cheese croissant. Freaking fire, dude. Fire, 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 fire water. Not trash can water, fire water. All right, man. So let's get up there and get a spot. Not that I need a spot, but we gotta make it look fair. We gotta make it look fair. All right, see you at the stove.
Look, ayy. When will they learn? You gotta love what you got. Want more than they earn, picking the locks, only one way to the top. I've been enjoying my turn. When will they learn? It's all about what you flip, it ain't about what you earn. Taking the steps, ain't no shortcut to the top. I've been enjoying my turn. When they gon' learn? You gotta love what you got. Want more than they earn, picking the locks, only one way to the top. I've been enjoying my turn. When they gon' learn? It's all about what you flip, it ain't about what you earn. Taking the steps, ain't no shortcut to the top. I've been enjoying my turn.
Now you're trying to get these 5s, man, and then shoot up to Nashville, grab me some of them. Got the line.
Let my come, spark that J, roll a different one. Cough like missing lung, need that pay. I've been missing funds, I like different fun. I'm the one, we ain't even, you can't overcome them eyes. Got a blunt full of comatose, can't open up my eyes. Keep my eye on my frenemies and money on my mind. Blow the top, that's that Kennedy, your phone call on decline. No decline on my Visa, got my attitude on.
What's up, man? I'm trying to get the whole family full-size run today, bud. Yeah, we come through clutch, man. Come through clutch. Gang, 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 gang. We got 5 pair, baby. 5 on nice pairs, 5 minutes. So let's see what we got. I got the fire red 5s for my daughter. I got the fire red 5s for my other daughter. I got the fire red 5s for my wifey. I got the fire red 5s for me. It don't stop. I I got the 5 red 5s for the homie Tops. Tops, it's in the mail, bro. So yeah, man, love it. I'm in and out in 5 minutes on the way back to the house. Enjoy the rest of my day. I had another spot I could have went to and got 2 or 3 more pair, but I didn't feel like, you know, I didn't feel like being greedy, so I just went ahead and I only need 1 pair, let everybody else eat. So I got my whole family a pair, and I got the homie Tops a pair. I'm finna shoot them in the mail right now when I get home. So Tops, your pair is on the way, bro. So we'll get home and do this unboxing for you. All right, guys, we're here. We got our 5 Jordan 5s on deck. I'm gonna go through each one of them. I'm gonna break down the details. Let's get it. So we'll start off with my size 7 for my 2-year-old, all right? Now when you open this up, you got your white tissue paper. Now this doesn't have the Nike Air on the back, just the Nike. So there's your size 7 doing a slow rotation. It doesn't have the air on the back or the pockets on the upper. It does have the reflective tongue. There's the bottoms. This is size 7 toddler for my 2-year-old. They do come with the golden Jumpman sticker. And that is the 7. Now the 10 toddler, let's look at this one. This one's the same. Doesn't have the air on the back. Doesn't have the poofs on the upper. So this is basically the same as the 7. This is the 10 for my 4-year-old. Put this to the side. Has the gold Jumpman sticker as well. My wife, they didn't have a 7 youth, so I got her 6.5. Opening this up. This one actually was, she usually gets adult sizes, but this saved me a little bit of money. This is only $140. These were 60 bucks, man. These were 60 bucks. This was 140 and the other 2 were 200. So opening up, you got the tissue paper. Apologize for the wind. I like doing these outside reviews. They just feel so much better than being inside. So here's my wife. This is a actual grade school. So it does have the Nike Air on the back. Has the poofiness on that comes standard on your Jordan 5s. You pull this out of the way, you have your Jordan 5 reflective tongue with the lace locks. Has your shoe tree on the inside with your black Nike Air. Your air bubble with your fighter jet hints like on all the 5s. So there's your grade school size. Like I said, she is a size 7 in men's and 8.5 in women. So I'm gonna try to, she can normally fit a 7 in grade school, but they were out, so I did Mexico's a sting. And they didn't have any adults, so I did get 5 pairs, so it was a great day. The next is mine, 10.5, $200. Opening up the box on this bad boy, you got the black tissue paper on the adults. Pulling this bad boy out the box. This is your Jordan 5 Retro Fire Red. Nike Air on the back, translucent sole with a Jumpman, Nike on the middle. Your reflective tongue with the lace lock. There's a full 360. Nice leather. I like this. This is really good leather in my opinion on this Jordan 5. But for $200 price point, it better be, right? Reflective tongue. These are, I'm so glad I caught these, man. I've been taking L's on the sneaker apps and the bots were feasted, but now that they open it up, it's fair game. So your boy came in 5 on the clutch game. So, and then last but not least, I got the homeboy Tops World over here. We're not gonna go through his, we're gonna put it to the side, but let him do that review. But had to look out for him. So guys, I came through with 5 pairs today. I was gonna get 2 for me, but I would, you know, that would have been 6 pair. I want to leave some for somebody, you know, so I could have got it. Overall, it was a great day, man. You know, I came through. I was going to get me 2, 1 for ice, 1 for feet, but I got some more heat coming in the mail today, guys. I pulled the trigger on like 7 pair of shoes today, man. I got some more 5s coming. I got the Bel Airs coming. I got some SBs coming. I got some Jordan mids coming. I got some Jordan lows coming. I got a lot of heat coming, guys. So stay tuned, man. I'm gonna be dropping in videos like crazy now that we're liable to, able to go out. So have a blessed day, guys. Stay lit and let's get it.